In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to get the SORA 2 invited code. Alright, so first of all, this is the SORA 2 homepage, alright, but you cannot get the invited code here. But me, for instance, I can generate the invited code and give it to whoever needs it, or one of my followers or somebody. So I'm gonna go down here to the menu and click on invite codes. Alright, so as you can tell, invite your friends. Anyone with the link below will be able to join SORA. Then I'll copy the link, alright, and the link has the code. So I'm gonna save the code somewhere. I don't want you guys to see it right now, but when I'm editing the video, I'll drop it. So I'll save it. So that's the first way to get your friend or someone you are following to give you a code, or even if you have to give the code, this is how. I'll show you the second option and I'll save the best for the last. Alright, so the second option, if you have a Chat GPT pay version, gives you access to the SORA 2 video generation system. Alright, so I'll show you how. So let's say right now I'm using the free version. So if I click on upgrade and I go up here, as you can tell right here, it says produce and share videos on SORA. So if I'm on the $20 a month version, I'm gonna get SORA 2 for free. Alright, so that's the second option, but the last but not least is to join the OpenAI Discord platform. And I'll show you how. On Google, search for OpenAI Discord and click right here, the first listings, click on the first result, alright? And when you click on it, it's gonna bring you to the home page, and it wouldn't look like this, but then you have to accept, alright, and proceed. If you have to create an account and keep going. If you don't know how to create a Discord account, you can check it out on YouTube, alright, it's free. And when you create your account and you follow the prompt, sometimes it might take few hours to accept you into the program, right? In my case, it took a couple of hours before I was accepted, because if you are not accepted yet, you wouldn't get access to what I'm about to show you, right? So once you are accepted, you get an email and everything. Then you come down here, see SORA 2 codes. Alright, so as you can tell, people are dropping their codes here each and every minute. So this is from today and it's new, not working. And this is the secret. When people say it's not working, it's because they are too slow. Let me give you the secret or the hack right now. Open the code box pop up, leave it and come to this page. So you're gonna open that page and this one, and you'll be searching for it. So this one, for instance, this is a code. You just have to copy and move quickly and enter and click continue. So if you don't do that, I believe this person, he got the code, but he was so slow and somebody took it. And that's how I got mine. Somebody dropped it, and within a fraction of a second, I copied and I entered and bam, and I got access. Because if you are too slow, trust me, you're not gonna get the code. See, this is a code. This guy just dropped it, alright? And I guess this guy was, and look at the distance. He dropped it 10:22, and this guy came back 10:46. So I believe between this gap, somebody has taken it already. And that's how it works on this platform. If you are so slow, forget it. Trust me, and you have to be careful. Some people are just scammers on this platform too. Be careful with scamming codes. Alright, so it's always 6 digits, like I said, and it's gonna be in caps. This is not the correct code because it's 5. So you just have to be careful. And scroll down. I'm trying to show you some of these codes. This is not a code. You just have to be careful. People are trying to be funny on this platform, and they keep warning people to be careful. These are some of the disclaimers you'll be signing, or you'll be checking the disclaimer box or the boxes before you'll be accepted to this or on this platform. So as you can tell, this is a code, alright? So it's 6 digits. So like I said, you have to be fast, you have to be quick in order to get it, alright? So I will drop my code, but depending on the time you'll be clicking on this, it might not work. Because I'll drop just one, and if somebody uses it, then later I have to generate another one. That is if I have more left, alright? So the purpose of this video is to let you know that, see, somebody just dropped one not long ago. Oh, let me see if I can get it. Oh, let's see. Let me go down. You see something like the message somebody is typing. See, each and every second people keep dropping like crazy, so you just have to be on your game. If you are too slow, trust me, you're not gonna get far. See, somebody is typing, Eric. So okay, he's looking for the code. All right, so that's how. And so right now, if I want to drop a code for this guy, I'll just enter here, or I can click here more and reply him. But trust me, even if I reply him, this is the public platform, everybody will see it, and somebody will just grab it in the jiffy. Oh, so this is the code that Buddy dropped, this one. So see, so if you want the code, this is how. You just have to be here, get ready. When don't copy the entire website link, just highlight and copy. Sorry, let me see if you can. I like when people drop just the code, the 6-digit code, but when you drop with the website, when you click on it, you have to make sure your system is open before you can access. But this will take too long. If you are not careful, somebody will take it. All right, but if you, or the best way to go about this is just or memorize this, because if you try to copy, highlight to copy, no, it won't work. So just go. So it's like HQ5 HQ536 HQ53C2. Then you go to your system, or you can take a photo quickly or write it down somewhere quickly on your paper. Get a pen and a paper, write it down quickly, and switch your window and enter. All right, that's how you do it. This is a game of time. All right, if you are not fast, somebody will take it. And like I said, that's how I got mine. Somebody drop it, and within a fraction of a second, I copy the code, and bam, I drop it, and I entered, and I was long gone. All right, so I like when people drop just the code. All right, so this one, for instance, this is how. So I had a code like this. I highlighted and copy, and I switch my window. By then I have my box pop up here, and I drop it and entered, and bam, I'm long gone. And I was long gone already, and that's how I got it. So I'm showing you all the tricks, the hacks, and how to get this thing. And trust me, this by now it has been used already, so don't even bother. All right, so every day you have to keep coming here and keep checking. I was here, if I'm not kidding, I was on this platform for almost 30 minutes before I got it. So you just have to be patient and be attentive and be looking on your screen. Don't blink. That's serious, because at the end of the day, you are getting this thing for free. And right now, see, I've generated stuff. I don't want to show it, but I've generated stuff and characters and all that. But in my next video, maybe I might show you how to generate a video with Sora. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.